Hello there, and welcome to the English with Shadowing, the podcast. Hey there, English Explorer. Welcome back to day 3 of your 5-day shadowing challenge. This is Tara, your English speaking coach, and I am so proud that you're back. By coming here for the 3rd day in a row, you're building a powerful habit, and that habit is creating a stronger, clearer English voice. Today, we're going to dive into something a little more real-world focused. Short dialogues, real-life responses, and useful conversational patterns. We'll build on everything you've learned so far. If day 1 was about mindset and day 2 was about daily expression, day 3 is about practical, interactive speaking, the kind that helps you handle real conversations with ease. Are you ready to level up your English speaking? Let's do this. How today's practice works. Today's shadowing practice will have 3 sections. Quick conversations and responses. Reply naturally and confidently. Short dialogue. Practice. You'll repeat full exchanges, useful real-life phrases, expressions you can use everywhere. You'll repeat after me, follow the subtitles, listen to the rhythm, the pauses, the music of English. Then speak it out loud, even if it feels weird at first. That's how fluency grows. Part 1. Quick conversations and responses. 125. These short questions and answers help you get comfortable responding quickly, naturally, and clearly. Repeat after me. What's your name? My name is Emma. Where are you from? I'm from Vietnam. What do you do? I'm a student. How was your weekend? It was great, thanks for asking. Do you like your job? Yes, I really enjoy it. Are you free this evening? I think so, why? Can I ask you something? Of course, go ahead. How long have you been learning English? For about 1 year now. That's impressive. Thank you. I'm trying my best. Do you prefer tea or coffee? Coffee, always. What are your hobbies? I like drawing and watching movies. Do you live near here? Yes, just a few blocks away. What do you usually do after work? I relax and listen to podcasts. Do you speak any other languages? Just a little French. What time do you usually wake up? Around 6:30 in the morning. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have an older brother. Are you busy this weekend? Not really. Just a few things to do. Can you help me with this? Sure. What do you need? What do you think about this idea? I think it's smart and creative. How's the weather today? It's sunny and really hot. Have you ever been abroad? Not yet, but I hope to someday. Are you studying or working now? Actually, I'm doing both. What do you usually eat for lunch? Something light like salad or rice. How do you usually get to work? I take the bus most days. Do you enjoy learning English? Yes. More and more every day. Well done. That was a great warm-up. Let's keep the momentum going. Part 2. Short role-play dialogues, 2650. Now let's move into short dialogues. Imagine you're part of a conversation. You'll repeat both parts for practice. These dialogues will train your flow, tone, and sentence connection. Repeat the full dialogue with me. Hi, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you. Hi, Sarah. I'm James. Nice to meet you too. Excuse me, is this seat taken? No, go ahead. It's free. Can I get you anything to drink? Just water, please. Thank you. What do you usually do on weekends? I usually go hiking or meet friends. Sorry I'm late, the traffic was terrible. No worries. I just got here too. Do you want to join us for dinner? Sure, that sounds nice. How's your new apartment? It's great. I love the quiet neighborhood. What did you think of the movie? It was okay, a little slow though. Can you send me the link? Yes. I'll do it right after this. Is this your first time here? Yes, it's all new to me. You look really happy today. Thanks. I got some good news. Do you want to take a break now? Yeah, let's rest for a bit. How long will the meeting last? Probably around 30 minutes. Are you going anywhere for the holiday? Not this year. I'm staying home. I'm trying to cut back on sugar. Same here. It's not easy. You seem really confident speaking English. Thank you. I've been practicing daily. That presentation was amazing. I appreciate that. I was nervous. Do you want to sit inside or outside? Let's sit outside. The weather's nice. What did you do this weekend? I stayed home and relaxed. Are you free tomorrow afternoon? Yes, what's the plan? I need help with pronunciation. I can help. Let's practice together. Do you like learning online or in person? I like both, but online is more flexible. What do you do to relax? I listen to music or take walks. How do you stay motivated? I set small goals and reward myself. It was great talking to you. You too. Let's chat again soon. Amazing job. These dialogues help your intonation, listening, and response timing. Part 3. 20 real-life phrases you need. Every day, 5170. These are useful phrases you can use in any situation. They're flexible, friendly, and fluent. Repeat after me. That sounds like a good idea. I'm not sure, but I'll find out. Could you say that again, please? I didn't catch that. Can you repeat it? It depends on the situation. Let me think about it for a moment. I see what you mean. That makes sense. I totally agree with you. I'm not sure I understand. Can you give me an example? Just a second. I'll check. Sorry, I didn't hear that. I'll get back to you on that. That's interesting. Tell me more. I don't really know much about that. I'd love to learn more. I'm trying to improve my English. I really appreciate your help. Thanks for your patience with me. Bravo! These are sentences you'll hear and use everywhere. Mastering them will give you flexibility and confidence in real conversations. Recap. What did you learn today? Today, you practiced reacting to real questions quickly, repeating short, full dialogues, using phrases that create natural conversations, thinking in English, not just translating, building rhythm and speed. That's a big leap forward. You're speaking more naturally, and it's only day 3. Final thoughts from Tara. Let me ask you something. Did you think you'd be able to speak this much English out loud in just a few days? You're doing something that many people are afraid to do. You're showing up. You're speaking. You're becoming the English speaker you want to be. It's not about speaking fast. It's not about sounding native. It's about being clear, confident, and yourself in English. And guess what? You're doing it. Every single day. See you for day 4. Tomorrow's practice will include storytelling, descriptive language, and how to express your opinion smoothly. Until then, keep your notebook close. Practice in front of the mirror. Speak to yourself in English, and most of all, be proud of yourself. Music fades out. You've been listening to the English Boost podcast, where we speak, grow, and unlock confidence together. See you tomorrow, my friend. You're doing amazing.